Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 327 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Steady in Uncertainty, a space to breathe through the unknown. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and let your breath fall out naturally. If life feels unclear, unsettled, or shifting beneath your feet, let this moment be a pause. Feel your body where it rests. Notice the support beneath you. Even with uncertainty around you, there is something solid holding you right now. Now, say to yourself, I don't need all the answers right now. I can take this moment as it is, and I can be steady even in uncertainty. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw release. And let your thoughts slow just enough to create a small pocket of calm inside all the not knowing. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this steadiness with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.